Hi friends, it's story time Sunday. I'm up here in my room feeling giddy because I just got my toddler to go to sleep after being a terror all day. Okay, so I'm going to tell a story. There was this one time where I strung along the scammer for 96 minutes. Okay, I'll tell something that didn't happen 2 days ago. I have a friend who has mentioned a few stories she'd like me to tell. One of them is about a time I misbehaved as a teenager and I made my mom look like an accomplice. I feel like I will tell that story when or if I have 1,000 subscribers because I feel like it needs to be really worth it before I make myself look like a horrible person. Instead, I'm going to tell the story about the car we had years ago that had squirters in it. My brother had a friend who learned how to install these. So you have a reservoir under the hood and a button on the dashboard, and you just press the button and water will spray out of it. This worked nicely when we had people tailgating us on the freeway. If we were going fast enough, the water would just go up and over the windshield, and then it would hit the person's windshield behind us, and then they would back off like, what is coming out of that car? And we did also spray some innocent people, such as this kid at the, I think it was the Redwood Forest in California, and he looked down at his leg like my dad sprayed him with sulfuric acid or something. And this one day, my mom's friend decided maybe she would give her a taste of her own medicine. We went to 7-Eleven one day before we were going to the movies, and when my mom went in to get the treats, my mom's friend decided she would wait in the car, which I also did. And she thought the spray came out in the middle of the grill, but unfortunately, she was wrong. And when my mom walked in front of the car, she pushed the button, and it turned out she sprayed a complete stranger right in the crotch. And he looked down just horrified, with like a half smile. Like you could tell he was horrified / impressed, like he secretly wished he had a car that did the same. He looked like he'd peed his pants, and my mom's friend laughed so hard she was about to pee hers for real. Do you have any good stories of pranks gone wrong, or even pranks gone right? I would love to hear it.